People, welcome back. I'm not in the shed, I'm sorry, but it's a bit smoky in there because my grill is lit up and we are ready to cook. How we marinate these, if you remember this video of MABS sauces, yeah, we got a Scotch bonnet one and a Reaper one. So the marinade is very simple: salt, chicken seasoning, onions. I'll put the what's it on the screen. Shawarma, yeah.
And a bit of salt.
Yeah, a bit of salt, yeah. And yeah, and then this sauce goes in there, and that sauce goes in there, and Bob's your uncle. I marinate it for about 5-6 hours, something like that. So it smells phenomenal. Oh man alive. So yeah, let's go cooking. People, welcome back to the grill. Yeah, we got 6 Reaper ones and 6 Scotch bonnet ones. Obviously there's more in a bowl, but for the tasting we just need a couple of each. So yeah, have a listen to this taste. Sound. Oh, I love that. It's the best sound ever. But yeah, so we'll be cooking obviously to the internal temperature, 165 Fahrenheit. Don't know what that in Celsius. What's 165 Fahrenheit?
About 70-ish.
Grill is running about, I reckon, 150 easy, if not more than that. Yeah, we'll put these back in the conservatory, and obviously after we had our tasting, we'll be, we'll carry on cooking. See you in a bit. Hello. Right, we are getting some colour now. Grill is about like I said, 150. Nice little bubbly going. You see all the fats start melting. Yeah, but we're not cooking time wise, we're cooking for the internal temperature of that. But this is not plugged in yet, so it's way too early for that. But let's carry on. Hello. Right, chicken is doing quite nicely. I checked the grill it was 150 actually. So yeah, you can see the bubbling and juices are going. That was the Reaper one, and that's nice, not nice and juicy. Little bubble going there. So yeah, we'll leave them for about another 15, and then I'll see you in a tasting area. That's the best bit out of all of it. Right, see you later. As you know, we're back in the tasting, eh? Right, we got 6 Scotch bonnet ones, which is this side, and that bowl obviously. And then we got 6 Reapers. I need to be careful what I'm eating, you know what I mean? And this is MABS sauces with Carolina Reaper chilies. 5 chilies on this one, and about 3? Yeah, 3 on this one. Not sponsored by MABS. Maybe I should have, but no, move on. Right, little this one. Okay, we start with a non-Reaper, innit? Yeah, I reckon so. This is juicy. Whoa, it's leaking on my fingers. That's the bad boy. Yeah. Right, let's dig it in. Whoa. I mean, it's sweet, it's juicy as hell. Look, my whole fingers. It mellowed down the heat though. You still can taste the Scotch bonnets. Let's have just the skin. Mmm. Oh, look. How glistening is that? That's a shiny one. Right. Mmm. It did mellow down there. Sorry, speaking with my mouth full. It mellowed down a bit, but still, you can taste it. I think we need a bit more Scotch bonnets, you know, like fresh ones. Oh, fresh Scotch bonnets and then that sauce on top of it. The heat, 1 maybe 2. Yeah, about 1 to 2 maybe. Yeah, it's good and juice. Mmm. And plus it's sweet and tangy. But what I would like to have is a fresh Scotch bonnet with it. That'd be mega. Yeah, but I'd say about 1 maybe 2 heat. It mellows down because when you, yeah, by the way, that would be a suggestion. When you do grill it, something or barbecue something, put mega amount of spices because most of them gonna fall into the grill. Yeah. Right, Reaper time. I'm yeah, not looking forward to this one. Right, are you gonna be hot or not? Well, if that mellowed down, this might be. Whoa, hot. Hey, that's not bad. The heat is double though. It's just double. Woo. She's kicking. It's just off the grill, I'm sorry. I'm trying to shove it in as quickly as I can. But I mean, in general, is 175 or 160? 165, sorry. My bad. Yeah. This is about. It's freaking tasty though. Holy crackers, man. And look how moist that chicken is. Woo. That skin by itself. Yeah, you can feel the chest on fire. I wouldn't go higher than about 3.5. It's not 4. Definitely not 4. Yeah, down the throat, down the tongue, bit of whiskey chest. Normal Reaper thing, isn't it? But look how juicy that is. Look. It's like you don't need the sauce with this. I mean, we got some sauce here. I'm not a big fan of Reapers, as you know, unfortunately. Actually, what if we dab a bit of sauce on that chicken? Just a little touch. Maybe you can use as a barbecue marinade and then as a dipping sauce. No. Shut the front door. Shut the front door. Wow. Marinate in this one. Leave half a bottle because you don't need only half a bottle. For 2 kilos of chicken, only need half. Then the rest of it, pour it in a bowl. Bread, chicken, dip it, eat it. Holy crap, it's good. Well, you have to try it. My kid just went, you are an idiot. I am. Well, so they say. We didn't put too much in there. It is baby Reaper though, so it's not as much. Oh, maybe I'm wrong. Oh, I'm wrong. Oh, I'm very wrong actually. Holy moly! Right, that dipping sauce needs to be a chili head. Scotch bonnets, definitely. Marinate your chicken in the sauce. Use it as a dipping sauce. Jesus, this is ripping. Oh my god. But yeah, MABS sauces. Visit them, buy it, marinate your chicken. I promise you. All I did was salt, chicken seasoning, shawarma seasoning, that and onions. Done. Put it for 4 or 5 hours and you're golden. And it is actually golden.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Oh, dearie me. No. Okay, never mind. Thanks for watching, people. Phenomenal recipe. And I mean, it's quick, it's phenomenal. You put it in a bowl, you leave it for 5 hours, you do whatever you want for 5 hours. Chopping? I don't know. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.